subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to the time you're watching this video and according to your time zone now. And Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to my brothers and sisters in Islam watching from around the globe. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can make product design with the use of the PixelLab and PixelLab app. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So just like I said earlier, I'll be teaching you guys, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can use the PixelLab app and the PixelLab app and creating a product design. So let's look into the app. Firstly, we'll be using the PixelLab app. So the size we'll be using is the third. This is the size we'll be using. This particular one, 3:4. That is the size. This is the size we'll be using in creating the design. So this is the size. So the first thing we'll be doing is I will be changing the background color to white. The background color will change it to white, just like I've done now. So I will create the shape. Let's create the shape. So I'll place this shape like this. Change the shape to green, like I've just done. So I'm going to be changing the color of the shape to green. I'm going to be creating another shape. So I'll place it here, change it to green as well. And I will be placing it at the center. I'll place it at the middle like this. So I'll create a circle shape. This time around, I'll change it to green color, just like I've done. Make sure it's at the center as well. So after that, I will create another shape and I'll make it a red color, placing it on top of this shape. And make sure it's at the center as well. So after that, I'll be creating the name of the company, creating the product. Change the font of the text. The font I'll be using for this is Roboto Black. It is not the PixelLab font. It is a font I import. The name of the font is Roboto. Once you get to, I will put in the name in the video description so that you can easily download it from the font site. So let's increase the size of this. Change the color to white. Then we'll give it a little stroke. Give it a black stroke like this and place it on top of this red color. So I will creating another text which will be having this color and this font, and will be having a black stroke. So instead of creating the text from scratch, what I will just do is that I will copy this text, then edit it into that text. Then I will placing it below this text, just like I've done now. So the next thing I'll be doing is that I'll be importing an image from a gallery. So I will import the image like this. Then I move to eraser. If you're looking at this, you can see it has edges. So to remove the edge, I'll move to eraser. Increase the eraser. I'll increase the second one, the one I'm increasing. Then I will increase this as well. Then I'm going to erase off I'm going to erase off the part of the chin, but the part of the pin or dryer, but it will not be clean. I will just erase it a little. So as you can see, so I will be placing it like this. So the next thing I'll be doing is that let's copy this. I'll copy this, I'll place it here, increase the size a little bit, place it here, then I'll reduce the opacity. I'll place it below. I'll place it below everything like this, to the back, to back. Then I will reduce the opacity. Let's reduce the opacity like this. Then I'm going to be creating the name for the product. So the name is Peanut. Change the font. I'm going to be changing the font. Then increase the size for this. So I will create another text. Create another text. So I will be placing it below this. Make the text bold. So just like this. Then I will I will import some image, some blur image of pepper. All the resources used will be placed in the video description. So I will just place it like this. Import another blur image of Chin Chin. Let's just place that like that. So I will be saving. Let's put the net kg, net weight. Change the color. Then I will be giving it a black stroke. Then let's increase this a little bit. Then I will be placing it here. Copy it, then change the text. 30 gram. Then I will be placing it here. So that is just how I will be designing the front of the product. So let's save this to our gallery. So we'll be saving it as PNG and Ultra for quality, so that we'll be having an high standard resolution image. So after saving this like this, the next thing is that we'll be creating another design. We'll be creating another design, which is the back design. So let's open another page. So we'll be using the former size we've been using, which is 3:4. That is the size we'll be using. So now we're creating the back of the product, the back design of the product. So now I will be we'll be changing the background to white as well. So just like this. So I will create a green. I will create a shape. Let's just place it like this. Then I've edit all the text before, so I will just be importing the text. So let's just place the text like this. Then I'll be creating let me create a red shape for this. Then the next thing I'll be doing is that I'll create a red shape as well for this. Just like this. Then I'll create a white background under the batch number, the production date, and the best before date. So I will just be placing this like this. Then now I will be importing another text from my gallery. So let's log this to the screen, enter this. And so I'll be importing this. So let's just create some custom shapes. Some shapes rather. I just wanna keep moving, keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact, never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on, feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best. Copy the shape, I'll be placing it below this as well. So copy this and place it below this. Then I'll be importing the image of the chin chin. Erase it just as I've erased it earlier. So let's erase it just like I've done earlier. Then place it below everything like this and reduce the opacity. Then reduce the opacity. Then we'll be creating a shape now. Then we create a shape. copy this and place it here as well. Then I'll be saving it to my gallery now. Save as image. Save it. Don't forget that you should always save your design as PNG for image format and ultra for quality to have a nice standard resolution image. So after saving, after you must have created the design in PixelLab like this, the next thing is that you'll be going to you'll be going to your PixelLab app. Once you've entered into your PixelLab app, like this is the interface you'll be having. So all you just have to do is to click on this plus icon. Then after clicking on this plus icon, you'll be having this new interface. Then I'll click on blank. You click on blank. Click on blank. Then this interface opens up. You come to the menu below here to add photo. You click on add photo. Then we'll be adding a product a product image. We want to create the mockup using the PixelLab app. So we'll be adding this. Then you add it in. Increase the size. Then you click on this mark icon here. Click on this mark icon there where I just point the arrow. You click on the mark icon. Then add photo again. You go to add photo to add in your design. Then we add the font design. Then we can increase the size of this. Increase the size. Then come to blend. You come to blend. Then put it on multiply. So you'll be having this. Then you can resize it. You can make the design very well. So you click on the mark icon again. Then save it using the save icon on top. You save it like that. So that's just about the front design. Now to create the back design, now we have to remove this. Let's remove this. Then we'll be adding in we go to add photo to import the back design of the product. I will put all the resources used in the video description. So we add it in like this. Increase the size. I'll click on the mark icon just like we've done earlier with the front design. Then add the back design we've designed with our PixelLab app. Then you add it in. Increase the size. Place it on the product very well. Come to blend. Put it on multiply. Then you can now make the design. You can now do it very well. So click on this mark icon after you must have done it very well. Click on this mark icon, then save it using the save icon on top. So that is just how you can create a product design using the PixelLab and the PixelLab app. Please like, comment and share across to your graphic design friend who may also be interested in this video. Thanks for watching.